2.2 miles, turn right. Still, that's Hampton Inn. So we're staying there, guys. Hampton Inn, we're here.
Turn right, then you will arrive at your destination.
Hampton Inn. Finally, we arrived.
You have arrived.
We're here. Okay, the lobby. Finally, we arrived here in the hotel in Taos. Grabe, 1 hour din. Taos, okay. Taos. 1 hour mahigit din ang drive mula sa Chimayo. Okay. Sobrang ang dami naming nadaanan, Chimayo, mga churches, sobrang ganda. Today is March 17, 2026. Mag-check-in na kami sa hotel. Hi, Berry! Ay, nako.
Wait.
Parating si Berry. Oh, hi. Dumating na kami. Ayan eh. Dito ka kami kakain sa umaga. Yeah,
Okay.
come on.
124.
Yes, check in. We're going to 124.
120.
Kaya ka. Dulo. One 24.
Come on, bring in here.
Here's the key, honey.
Give me the key.
Here.
Give me the pee-pee.
Go.
What's
Push.
Ayan.
Again. Slide. Oh, there you go. Push.
What?
Slide.
Oh, wait, maybe we have to.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, jeez.
It's our hotel.
Okay, so we
Go
don't
there.
have any view. We don't have any view here. What? You need to bring that in.
Just leave it there. Mommy will get the coin. Come on, come inside. So this is the Hampton Inn. We're still in Hampton Inn. We are now on the first floor.
I think Baby's dead.
Yan yung view namin sa labas.
My bad.
TV. Tapos, pare-pareho lang yung ano nila eh. Yan. Ito yung bathroom. Bathtub. Hi! Nakarating na din kami. Makapagpahinga na rin. Haggard si nanay. Okay, bye. Today is March 17, 2026. Pang-anim na naming hotel ito. 6 night na, no? Okay, bye.